start and we're laughing. I'm Annie.
And I'm Kathy.
And we're the Thrive Life Sisters.
Today we're going to do some stuffed potatoes.
Stuffed peppers. And we've got green, yellow, and red peppers. So we've halved them, cleaned them, washed them, and we're all ready to stuff them.
We'll start with some rice.
Okay.
And we're going to throw in some sausage into this one. Enough for all three.
I think that's enough. By the time we add all the vegetables, we should be fine.
That's not good.
Yep. I'm going to throw some onions in there. I like a little bit more onion because once you bake it, it's like delicious.
I'm going to put some little pieces of mushroom, but I don't like big pieces. Do you want to help me rip?
Yeah. Do you? Oh, we've got the kettle over there. So
here's some little pieces at the bottom.
So the mushrooms are really nice because they're they never go moldy and slimy. They're like, these are awesome.
A little bit of cheese to keep it together?
Sure.
We'll top it with a little cheese too, but.
Yeah, we refresh some cheese here so we can top it and then broil it. But for now, and we're gonna throw a little bit of Chef's Choice seasoning in here.
And a little taco seasoning as well.
Oh, a little bit much. But actually, I think that'll be nice.
A little garlic too.
Yep.
A little bit more.
Sure.
All right. And a little hot water.
Now that'll start to melt the cheese, which is fine. So the mushrooms, or everything will refresh pretty quick. It's the rice that's gonna take the longest.
It's right behind it.
And we're just gonna top it and let it refresh.
Okay, now that we've let it refresh, let's see how it is. Looks really good.
Oh, that looks great. Here. Okay, so we're going to stuff the peppers.
And then we will be broiling it in the oven.
There we go.
So we'll get that melted and we'll be right back. Okay, now they just came out of the oven. We broiled them a little bit.
And they look delicious. We're just gonna top it with some green onion and just for a bit of color and a little bit of taste. And that's it. So enjoy, this is a wonderful meal. Just very, very hearty and healthy for you. So if you have any comments or any questions or suggestions, just comment below. And don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't done so.
Subscribe, yeah, and ring the notification bell so that you will be up to date when we post new videos.
Thank you for
watching,
joining.
and remember,
You can do this too.